Hello guys, welcome to a technology welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to fix YouTube. The video is a duplicate of a video that you have already uploaded. This is a problem, of course, how you will go for quick and easy method to resolve this warning problems. So let's see how you will go for it. So I will show you here. Just to see guys, I have uploaded one video here and it's saying that processing abandoned means terminated. Why it is so? Because the file is a duplicate of a video that you have already uploaded. So here, now how I will solve this problem. So see guys, both of one video you have to delete. So how you will go for deleted? Let's see. It's a simple and easy way to have a click on a more action and I will go for delete it. So guys, simply here once again I would like to confirm you here, just I will select it. So when it will be highlighted, then you have to go in a more actions and I will click on a delete it for forever. So here just I have to select this one. I understand that deleting is permanent and can't be updone. So what I will go for, I will click delete it for forever. So now see guys, it has started to delete it. So this is an easy way to solve this problem guys, by using, because as we know that two times you cannot upload any content that you have already uploaded on your channel. So at the moment I am just deleting it. So let's see what will happen. Let me see, internet is working or not firstly. Still it's a processing guys, so let me click on this cursor once time. Might be server is down guys, that's why having a problem here, but however I would like to show you how you will delete it. So see, still it's a processing, now it has gone guys. So finally after all it has been deleted. So this problem has been solved now. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. This is, if it's informative, then please also don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, because this is a thing. Now see guys, one video has been successfully deleted. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. If it is informative and acknowledgeable for the YouTuber, then please don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for enhancing or accelerating the knowledge in a IT sector field. So thank you very much guys, thank you very much indeed for watching this video tutorial. Have a great time.